Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be installing some fenders on the Supra. So yesterday I pretty much already installed these M-style mirror caps right here. Makes the car look way better. I also put these wind buffers on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not too much light in here, but I got the mirror caps, wind buffers right there, and then also I got carbon fiber door cover. Just makes it look pretty sick. But that's how it sits right now. I got the spoiler right here, carbon spoiler, carbon whatever that thing's called, door handle, mirror cap, wind buffers, hood vent, and then today's install is gonna be the fenders right there. So it's gonna look pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna look like that in a little bit, probably like 2 or 3 hours, we'll find out. But I still have some side skirts that I gotta put on, and then I have the door garnish right here too. But honestly, I don't know if I want to do the door garnish. I kind of like how it looks stock like that, but we'll see. Yeah, let's get started. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so I'm trying to take off this panel right here. Almost done with this side. This part right here is low-key annoying as hell. I'm about to try. All right, so I finally got this cover off. This shit was a bitch. I just took off this, and now this is where we get to the fenders. I'm about to jack the car up a little bit and then take the wheel off so I can get the bolts that are in there somewhere. And these are pretty much the bolts I'm gonna have to be removing right here. So I want to say I'm like an hour away from finishing just that one side. I take my time. It's already 6:11. I barely got the first thing done, so bro, look at this shit. Somehow managed to fit this ratchet in here. Now I gotta twist it off. Mood, bro, mood. It's 11:40 at night, almost midnight, and I just finished both sides finally, bro. Fitment's actually pretty solid on these too, which is kind of crazy. Looks good, but I'm about to go okay, I'm gonna go get some In-N-Out. I'm starving. But yeah, no, this looks sick. I'm gonna go to like a gas station too. Damn, what do you guys think? So pretty much the new things that I added to this car was these carbon fiber door handles, the M Performance or M style mirror caps, also carbon fiber, these wind buffers right here, and then I also added the actual real carbon hood vents on the hood, and then of course the fenders. Dang, that thing looks crazy in my opinion. What y'all think? Look at that. Oh yeah, let me turn off the headlights real quick. And then also got that thing right there, spoiler. Damn, that looks good. That's crazy, and I still haven't even put on the side skirts yet, which is gonna make it look even crazier in my opinion. But that's where it sits at right now. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do the side skirts, to be honest. After doing the fenders, I low-key might get them installed somewhere, because god damn, that was a struggle. But the fitment is on point too, you can't even lie. pretty damn good. I mean, I can't really complain. I think low-key the fitment on this side, the driver's side, is low-key a bit better, but actually not bad at all. I'm about to flick up real quick actually, so you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I think all of this looks tough, bro, and I got all this at the same exact time pretty much. I just need to get some wheels, to be honest. That's literally my weak point now. Even the stocks looks pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. And alright, anyways, I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna go get in and out right now. I'm starving. But let me know what you guys think, how the fenders came out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see more of, because to be honest, I do want to start doing this a lot more. I gotta get on the POV grind. I know I haven't made a POV video in a while. Honestly, the first time I ever did a POV, I retired after that. So man, I'm gonna turn on the headlights actually. Yeah, crazy awkward. Peace out, y'all. Nah, hold up. I was about to end the video, and then this guy pulls up, right? Hold up. What the fuck? This guy just pulled up right now. Yeah. Anyways, I think the dude low-key just crashed somebody and ran away, but I don't know, to be honest. I'm out here just pretending I'm recording my car at this point, even though I'm starving. God damn, son. But Supra looks insane right now. I'm not gonna cap, bro. Right now. Oh, the police done pulled up right now. Oh God. Huh? Oh, bro. Dude, you're such a beast. I wanted to be a cop too, man.
What have you done to it?
It's stock. I just bought it. I just installed the carbon fiber fenders on it. I think it makes it look crazy, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I just
B58, no exhaust or anything?
Oh, you know about it. Let's go.
Yeah,
no, there's no exhaust.
A90 Supra and an E46.
No way. I had a 335 on before this one.
Yeah.
E92.
Oh, okay, nice.
But no, I just put this on right now. That's why I'm all dirty it like a shit, and then I put this. Literally.
No exhaust?
No, it's not. It's on a stock exhaust. I low-key think he tried to get me to incriminate myself by asking if there's something done to my exhaust. That's funny, but hey, shout out Ontario Police Department. Great police department, if I'm being honest. But damn, it's kind of crazy. I was just here chilling, taking pictures. Out of nowhere, this dude pulls up in a crashed car. And now we got the police here, and then the emergency we just left right now. So, but anyways, I'm out of here. I'm about to go to In-N-Out.